recipe I'd like to share with you today is called fava, which is confusing because it doesn't contain any fava beans. Instead, it's made with 3 yellow ingredients: yellow split peas, lemon juice, and olive oil. I learned to make fava on the Greek island of Ikaria. Ikaria is known for the longevity of the people who live there because of their healthy diet and lifestyle. You might call fava a cousin of hummus and other bean dips. To start, I'll cook these yellow split peas in water until they're completely soft. Unlike whole dried peas and beans, these yellow split peas don't need to be pre-soaked. You can buy them wherever you buy split peas and dried beans. I bought a 16-ounce bag at my local supermarket for under $2, and I'm only going to use less than half of it for this recipe. I'll heat up 4 cups of water. That's about 4 times as much water as the volume of the beans I'm using. And when the water comes to a boil, I'll add 1 cup of yellow split peas. The yellow split peas take about 40 minutes to cook. It's a good idea to stir them while you're cooking. And if they begin to stick to the bottom of the pan, it's okay to add extra water. You can't overcook them because we're going to puree the peas afterwards anyway. So let's take these already cooked yellow split peas over to the food processor to beat them into a lovely smooth puree. I'll start by simply pureeing the yellow split peas. If you prefer not to use a blender, you could use a stick blender or even beat with a spoon to make a smooth puree. Not quite smooth enough. I think I'll add some lemon juice to speed up the process. I'm using the juice of 1 big lemon. Of course, you could use bottled lemon juice if that's what you have. Isn't this a lovely sunny yellow color? I'll add a little salt. And some olive oil. The amount of olive oil you use is up to you. A little bit of olive oil for a leaner taste, or more olive oil for a creamier taste. Isn't it gorgeous? And now for a taste. Cut. I love how the creaminess of the beans is offset by the sharpness of the lemon juice. I think I did just about right with the salt. To serve, cut. To serve the fava, I like to turn it onto a colorful platter or a dish. Notice how the fava is quite a soft texture now. It can be stored in the refrigerator and it'll firm up there. Fava keeps for a good week in the refrigerator in a covered container. I like to garnish fava with a little bit of greenery. So here I have some parsley from the garden. The traditional way to serve fava is garnished with chopped raw onion and capers with a drizzle of olive oil. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? To serve, offer up your fresh fava with a variety of crunchy vegetables. Alternately, you can serve it with crisp whole grain crackers or toast. Enjoy it in good health.